Pinkfong.
Pinkfong Little Dino School! Hi, I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex!
Rex, are you sure you're ready for the first day of school?
Don't worry, Mommy. I'll see you later!
Oh, class, our new friend has arrived.
Huh?
Lovely to meet you. I'm Mr. Trevor.
Hello, Mr. Trevor.
Everyone. All right, class. Let's welcome our new friend. Attention, please.
Huh?
Class?
Mr. Trevor, I'll introduce myself. T-Rex! Tyrannosaurus Rex. Who wants to play tag? Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'll be the best hunter. Look at my mighty teeth. Look at my mighty jaws. Nothing can run away from me. Roar! T stands for toothy.
T-Rex.
T stands for tall.
T-Rex.
T stands for terrible.
T-Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Who wants to play tag? Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'm the best, don't mean to brag. Look at my keen eyes, look at my keen nose. Nothing can run away from me. Roar!
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Who wants to play tag?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
I'll be the best hunter. Listen to my feet stomp. Listen to my loud roar. Nothing can stay calm in front of me. Nothing can stay calm in front of me. Roar!
Wow, Rex. That was awesome. I thought you were a little aggressive at first. But now I know how carnivorous dinosaurs play. No one can stay calm in front of me. Roar!
Thank you. I really like your wings.
Rex, sorry about earlier. I was so startled.
Aw, that's okay.
Rex, look over there. Huh?
Welcome to Little Dino School.
Wow!
Welcome. I'm Pete. I'm Bella.
I'm Bree.
Hello, Pete, Vala, Bree. Nice to meet you all. Subscribe! Subscribe! Aw. Hit the subscribe button.